Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever typed an email in Gmail and noticed unwanted suggestions popping up, maybe old contacts, wrong addresses, or people you don't want to email anymore, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the full 2025 guide on how to delete suggested email addresses in Gmail. Stick with me until the end because once you know this, you'll never have to worry about messy suggestions or accidental missends again. So why does this happen? Gmail saves every address you've interacted with, even if you never added it to your contacts. These suggested addresses are pulled from a section called Other Contacts in Google Contacts. Cleaning this up is the key. Here's how you do it step by step. Sign into your Google account and head over to contacts.google.com. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section called Other Contacts. This is where Gmail stores all those auto-saved addresses. Use the search bar to quickly find the specific email you want to remove. Click on that contact entry to open up the details page. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots, also called the More Options menu. From the drop-down, select Delete. Confirm your choice, and that address will be gone. That's it. Super simple, but extremely effective. Before you rush through and start deleting, keep in mind this action is permanent. Once you delete a contact, you can't get it back. So make sure you're removing the correct one. The benefit? You'll enjoy a much cleaner, smarter Gmail experience. No more clutter, no more outdated suggestions, and a lower risk of accidentally emailing the wrong person. If you make this a habit and tidy up your other contacts every once in a while, Gmail's autocomplete suggestions will stay sharp and relevant, and that's the full 2025 guide on deleting suggested email addresses in Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips to make your digital life easier. And remember, I'll leave helpful links down in the description so you can try it out right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.